Dubai is one of the cleanest cities on earth, and it intends to keep it that way. But maintaining a futuristic metropolis takes more than just street sweepers. It takes absolute accountability. Historically, catching someone littering or skipping out on pet cleanup required an officer to be in the exact right place at the exact right time. Not anymore. Dubai just weaponized smart city tech against urban neglect. It's called autism, and it means public code violations are now tracked, logged, and penalized instantly. Rolled out by the Dubai municipality under the legal backing of Dubai Law No. 19 of 2024, autism, which translates to commitment or compliance, is a digital enforcement app designed to change how the city is monitored. This isn't just a basic reporting tool. It allows authorized officials to log public cleanliness violations instantly. Here's how it works in the field. An officer spots a violation, snaps real-time photo evidence directly through the app, and letting the system handle the rest. The app utilizes automated location tracking to pin down exactly where and when the incident occurred. No paperwork, no delays, just immediate, data-backed enforcement. Marwan Ahmed bin Galita, Director General of Dubai Municipality, highlighted that this initiative is a core pillar of the Emirate's broader vision for digital transformation. It's not just about penalizing people, it's about reinforcing Dubai's global reputation for health, safety, and aesthetic beauty. What makes autism truly fascinating is what it represents on a macro level, the convergence of technology and governance. By leveraging automation and real-time data, Dubai is moving toward a proactive, smart governance model. It removes human bias or reporting delays from the equation. When people know that enforcement is instantaneous and tech-driven, behavior changes. It forces a shift in urban culture, nudging both residents and visitors toward an environment of shared civic responsibility. As cities worldwide grapple with expanding populations and urban waste, Dubai is setting a digital blueprint. Cleanliness is no longer just a manual chore, it's an automated, smart city standard. Autism is proof that a cleaner tomorrow is just an app click away. What do you think? Is digital enforcement the future of keeping our global cities clean, or is it a step too far into surveillance? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the tech shaping our world. See you next time.